Woodworking is not just a hobby. It's a thriving business opportunity that combines artistry with practicality. As the demand for unique and sustainable home decor continues to rise, woodworking entrepreneurs can leverage their skills to design and produce beautiful furniture and decor pieces. The essence of woodworking lies in its ability to transform raw materials into stunning functional art, allowing business owners to create a brand identity that resonates with customers seeking both aesthetics and sustainability. Emphasizing creativity in wood design opens the door to various markets, from minimalist to rustic styles. A woodworking business can flourish by exploring these themes and appealing to a wider audience. By focusing on different styles and finishes, artisans can differentiate their products, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Collaborating with interior designers can also extend reach, ensuring that creative wood furniture finds its way into curated spaces that reflect contemporary trends. In the competitive landscape of home decor, the storytelling aspect of woodworking is vital. Each piece of furniture or decor can narrate a story about craftsmanship, sustainability, and connection to nature. By sharing the inspiration behind designs and the processes involved, businesses can create a brand narrative that resonates with consumers, fostering an emotional connection that goes beyond mere functionality. This approach not only attracts customers, but also builds loyalty, as people are often drawn to products with meaningful backgrounds. Moreover, the integration of technology in woodworking can significantly enhance business efficiency. Utilizing CNC machines and digital design tools can streamline the production process without sacrificing creative expression. This blend of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology allows woodworkers to produce intricate designs at scale, catering to growing demand while maintaining high quality. Embracing digital tools also presents opportunities for e-commerce, allowing businesses to reach customers beyond local markets. Sustainability plays a critical role in modern woodworking businesses. As consumers become increasingly environmentally conscious, offering products made from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood can position a brand favorably in the market. By promoting eco-friendly practices, businesses can attract customers who value ethical consumption, enhancing their brand image and promoting responsible buying behaviors. Market research is fundamental for any woodworking venture aiming for success. Understanding customer needs and emerging trends can help entrepreneurs tailor their offerings effectively. Engaging with the community through workshops or events can build brand awareness while fostering a sense of belonging among woodworking enthusiasts. This engagement not only cultivates potential customers, but also creates a network of support within the woodworking community. Branding in the woodworking industry should reflect the unique selling propositions of the products offered. A coherent brand identity, encompassing logo, packaging, and marketing materials, can draw attention to a business. Using platforms like social media and blogs to showcase the creative process, customer testimonials, and finished projects can effectively communicate the brand narrative, inviting potential customers to explore the collection further. Diversifying product lines can also be an effective strategy for woodworking businesses. Beyond furniture, introducing decorative items such as wall hangings or kitchen accessories can provide additional revenue streams. Seasonal collections or limited edition pieces can create urgency and encourage repeat purchases, inviting customers to check back frequently for new offerings. Collaboration with artists can enhance the creativity of woodworking products. By merging different artistic expressions, businesses can create unique pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace. This cross-disciplinary approach not only enriches product offerings, but also opens doors to new customer bases, leveraging the existing fan base of collaborating artists. Networking with local businesses and artisans can create collaborative opportunities that elevate a woodworking enterprise. Hosting joint events or markets not only attracts local customers, but also fosters community engagement. This relational approach nurtures local economies and strengthens the ties within the artisan community, promoting a shared vision of sustainable craftsmanship. As the digital landscape evolves, woodworking businesses can take advantage of online marketplaces to reach a global audience. Investing in an engaging website and utilizing e-commerce platforms can make unique wooden creations accessible to customers around the world. High-quality photography and compelling product descriptions can enhance online shopping experiences, making it easy for customers to connect with the products and their stories. Customer service is equally crucial in building a sustainable woodworking business. Providing personalized experiences, whether through custom orders or direct consultations, can elevate customer satisfaction and lead to positive word-of-mouth referrals. Encouraging customer feedback and using it to inform future designs helps foster a sense of partnership, ensuring the brand aligns with consumer interests. Additionally, leveraging sustainable packaging can further demonstrate a commitment to eco-friendly practices. Thoughtful packaging design that reflects the brand ethos contributes to the overall customer experience and strengthens loyalty. By prioritizing sustainability in every aspect of the business, from production to delivery, woodworking entrepreneurs can cement their place in the growing market of environmentally conscious consumers. Continuous learning and adapting are essential for long-term success in the woodworking industry. Keeping up with trends, attending workshops, and engaging in professional development can inspire new ideas and help business owners stay relevant. Embracing a growth mindset allows woodworkers to evolve their craft and business strategies, meeting changing consumer demands effectively. The world of woodworking is not only about shaping timber, but also about crafting experiences that resonate with customers. As a woodworking entrepreneur, the journey begins with understanding the confluence of craftsmanship and market trends. Every piece of furniture or decor item can embody a unique story, a testament to the artisan's dedication, and a reflection of the homeowner's taste. This narrative element is crucial in a market saturated with mass-produced alternatives. By emphasizing the craft and the individual character of each creation, businesses can carve out a niche that attracts discerning consumers. In a thriving market, versatility in designs becomes a powerhouse for woodworking businesses. By exploring different styles, whether contemporary, traditional, or eclectic, woodworkers can cater to a diverse clientele. This versatility allows builders to adapt to changing consumer preferences and seasonal trends. Furthermore, designing multifunctional pieces not only appeals to the modern lifestyle, but also showcases the innovativeness that sets a brand apart. As urban living spaces become smaller, the demand for smart, space-saving solutions increases, presenting valuable opportunities for creative design. Marketing plays a pivotal role in establishing a woodworking business. An effective strategy goes beyond merely showcasing products. It involves creating a brand identity that resonates deeply with potential customers. Utilizing storytelling and marketing efforts can effectively captivate an audience, inviting them into the world of craftsmanship, where every creation is meticulously thought out. Digital platforms can be leveraged to display the creative process, offering glimpses into the artistry involved in woodworking, thus enticing customers with a personal connection to the items.